Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the ZD Toys Ultraman Jack Armor. Thank you very much, Laro Anan, for sending this action figure for unboxing and review. Kung gusto niyo bumili ng mga Iron Man, Ultraman, Funjoy, Batman action figures, punta lang kayo sa Laro Anan on Facebook and Laro Anan on Shopee. Thank you again, Laro Anan, for sponsoring this video. So first, the packaging, very high quality cardboard box. You have the printed part all over the sides. Shot of the action figures up front. Some Chinese or I think Japanese text dito sa taas. Jack, ZD Toys logo. Tapos dito naman sa side, Zongdong Toy. And shot of the action figure with the long blade. Dito naman front shot, tapos ito dynamic poses, all accessories, some Chinese text, QR code, barcode. Dito naman some Japanese text. Tapos dito merong magnetic flap, very large box. Kasi hindi lang dalawang tray to mga ma'am sir. Yung first tray, nandito yung action figure, yung second tray and third tray, nandito lahat ng accessories. Dami niyan. Tara buksan natin isa-isa. Alright, dito sa first tray ng accessories, you have the shield, you have the pole, tapos meron din ditong force field na color green, and then you have the base na hexagonal base, yung very generic na base na ginagamit ni ZD Toys. Tapos dito naman sa second tray of accessories, you have the alt hands, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you have the Ultra, I think this is called the Ultra Axe. Tapos meron siyang sword na meron mga segments. Tapos ito yung green effect, parang axe effect dun sa na kinakamit dun sa weapon niya. Okay? Tapos meron din siyang alt head. Tapos dito naman sa third tray, we have the action figure itself. Very bulky and very heavy compared to other ZD Toys na action figures. Alright, this is Ultraman Jack out of the packaging. If you haven't seen the Netflix series, panoorin nyo na mga ma'am sir. Sobrang ganda. Ganda ng mga scenes, yung mga suit ups, and then yung final battle. Okay? So this is the front, this is the side, this is the back, and this is the other side. So let's start with the head. Yung color palette pala niya muna. Color palette is red and silver, tapos meron ditong blue na color sa chest niya. So yun lang yung, and also some black parts. Okay, let's start with the head. Meron siyang parang fin dito sa gitna ng kanyang head, and also hindi ito LED version. Sana maglabas pa sila ng mga LED versions ng mga Ultraman action figures. That would be very cool. Pero yun nga, mas mahal siya. Okay? Then you have the covered mouth plate. Tapos dito sa chest niya, you have the red sections here, color blue circle sa gitna, inverted triangle dito sa may lower part ng chest. And then you have the rib section here. Very nice color separation, ganda ng contrast, very metallic red, cherry red. Yun yung ginagamit ni ZD Toys sa kanilang mga Iron Man armors. Ganda lang ginagawa nila sa mga red paints nila. And also sa lahat ng mga figures, lahat ito very clean na paint job, wala amount of weathering. Then you have the crotch piece, tapos may mga black buttons dito. Sa likod naman, you have the spine design here. Tapos very large din tong part na to. Because ito si Jack kasi talaga mas nasa heavy side. Parang brawler type. Meron siyang combat prowess, yung meron din siya mga weapons like Ultra Axe and MAT shoot. Mamaya puntahan natin yung mga accessories niya. Pero meron din siyang rito, mga large hips, large na thighs for balance. Then you have the knee pads. Tapos ganda rin ng ganda ng gawa nila dito sa Ultraman na mga action figures. Actually, we have 1, 2, 3 Ultraman figures to review in a while. So we have segue ko lang din yan, yung mga old Ultraman like Tiga, Decker, meron din tayo. Salamat Laro Anan. Okay? Meron din mga panel lines and also yung mga small panel lines such as these. Very, very cool. Yung ganda lang ginawa nila dito. So you have the side circular segments here for mobility. I think that's for mobility. Ito rin for mobility rin to sa show. Very faithful sila dun sa design ng Netflix na series. Kasi tinitingnan ko, pinapanood ko yung Netflix na show kung paano sila nagtatransform and ganito yung appearance nila. Very nice hand design. Look at that. May mga segments pa dun sa mga joints. May panel lines din. Dito rin sa kanyang feet. Okay? Articulation naman tayo. Head can look up, down. Hindi na naikot ng 360. Pero look at the neck design. Meron pa siyang black section. Shoulder armor can move out for better articulation. Okay? Meron konting-konting butterfly, konti lang. Pwede nyo extend yan. Tapos, sa lahat naman ng ZD Toys, pwede yan eh. Okay? Ingat lang sa pag-articulate. Okay? Tapos, meron ding rotation itong part na to sa arms. Double jointed na elbow. Tapos, ball joint yung kamay. You can also extend. Oh, nice. Double extension. Usually, wala na itong part na to eh. Yan. Double extension sa torso, upper torso and sa waist to do some twists. Okay? Crunch, stretch and crunch. Tapos move down yung paa. Pwede mong i-kick. Pwede mong i-rotate itong part na to para mas mataas yung sipa. Something like that. Tapos double jointed yung knee. Very nice. Tapos pwede mo ring i-move to, yung ankle protector. And then ball joint yung paa. Very large feet. Look at that. Ganda. Okay, ngayon sa accessories naman tayo. Alright, sa accessories, meron siyang swords. Itong suit niya, sports, a retractable sword stored in both of its forearms. So, pwede niyong palitan to, nasa forearm niya, and then palitan natin ng swords. Yan, so, ito na yung appearance kapag naka-equip yung dalawa niyang retractable swords. If kung gusto niyo naman, balik yung isa, di ba? Tanggalin niya tong part na to, isa lang yung naka-equip, pwede rin naman, di ba? Yan. Tapos itong part na to, ito yung kanyang Ultra Axe. Okay, kabit lang natin tong silver na pointed na part. Okay, make sure na naka-align doon sa may slot. Okay? Okay. Tapos, i-equip natin siya using this hand. Okay, kabit lang natin dito sa may black part. Okay. Kung medyo mahirap yung kung medyo mahigpit tong part na to, lagyan nyo ng heat using blower. Okay, medyo mahirap. Yan. So, nakakabit na yung Ultra Axe niya and then pwede nyo rin i-equip tong part na to para dun sa effect dun sa dulo ng kanyang axe. That's a very nice weapon. Ang haba, mas mahaba pa sa kanya. Siguro ito mga 10 inches to. Ito kasi si Ultraman, this is around 7 inches tall. Measure din natin para sigurado tayo. 7 inches tall ba to? Or 7.5. Yeah, I think this is 7.5. Yeah, 7.5. Mas malaki siya than other Ultraman action figs. And then you have the shield. Meron din siyang attachment para pwede nyo ikabit dito sa kanyang arm. Something like this. Alright, something like that. Very, very cool. Ang dami niyang accessories. Tapos meron din siyang green na force field na meron din siyang attachment para pwede nyo rin ilagay sa kanyang arm. Ilalagay nyo rito. Papasok nyo lang dyan. Tapos something like this. Ito yung kanyang effect. Something like that. And then yung last na accessory is the generic hexagonal base. Very nice kasi meron siyang design. Ultraman anime version from the Netflix series. Meron siyang connector and then you have the pole. Ito namang pole ay spring-loaded naman siya. So, mahahawakan nyo si Ultraman kung gusto niya ng dynamic na mga positions. Medyo malaki lang yung waist niya. So, siguro pwede nyo hawakan sa legs or sa arms. Para, kunwari, gagawa kayo ng mas dynamic na pose. Mas stable si Ultraman Jack. Hindi siya mahuhulog. Okay? Alright, so yun lang mga ma'am sir, that's it. Yun ang ating review ng Ultraman Jack from the Netflix series. Ang pinaka-favorite kong weapon ito, yung Ultra Axe. Okay? So yun lang mga ma'am sir. Kung gusto niyo bumili ng Ultraman Jack, I think, ang price range nito ay 1,400 to 1,600. Punta na lang kayo sa Laro Anan. Again, thank you very much, Laro Anan, for sending this action figure for unboxing and review. Alright, so yun lang mga ma'am sir, that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.